I didn't get the other part on video, but he was lying the other way. He got up and flopped over like this when I came to pet him. I thought he was going to run away, but he was just flopping over. What a good boy, Indiana. I'm so proud of you. Can I pet Ziti? Yeah, good girl. Oh, oh. Come back here. Sorry, I was ignoring you for... You gonna come back? You gonna come get attention? You gonna come for attention? Good boy. Oh, you're so soft. Come on, Indy. Come on, Indiana. Oh, you're being so sweet today. Hello, Bartleby. I noticed you trying to get attention. You are such a good boy, too. Can I pet Ziti Patiti? You're being nice, too, today. You're being a good girl. Oh, does Alfie want attention? Does Alfie want pets? Well, everyone's being nice and friendly today. What's the occasion? I can't see you very well, huh? Oh, sorry. Hi, Ziti. There we go. Oh, Indiana, you give me the blinky eyes. Ziti, you look so happy. You look so happy. You all look so happy. Hello, Bartleby. Little big boy. Yes. Oh, you're shedding. It is summer after all. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Can I pet Indiana more? Can I pet Indiana again? No? Yes? No? No? Okay, you had enough. Can I pet Angelique? Can I pet Angelique? Nope. Okay. Hi, Ziti. Well, you didn't hiss at me, so that's good. Oh, that's a happy baby face. Look at that good girl face. What a good face. That is a high quality kitty face. Good girl. You just, oh my goodness, look at that face. Good girl.